1 in 6 couples would need help to conceive, and there are concerns that number will continue to rise. Experts are putting it down to multiple factors: couples waiting later in life and increased exposure to pollutants and chemicals.
Preliminary data suggests that exposures to plastics and environmental pollutants will have negative impacts on the egg and the sperm.
Perth fertility specialist Professor Roger Hart has conducted an early study tracking a number of couples over the years.
Exposures to phthalates, which are chemicals present within plastics and also in makeup, of the mother when we assess their son's sperm counts and testicular size at age 20 years of age, they're reduced.
The initial research also revealed similar effects to teenage girls who had smaller ovaries. Phthalates can be found not just in makeup, but other common products such as nail polish, hairspray and perfumes. It's prompted a warning to minimise exposure where you can.
Exposures to cleaning fluids, minimising the use of makeup and hair dye. These are other chemicals that we perhaps don't think about. Plastics exposures, trying to minimise our exposures to those.
But it's not just women who need to keep their health in check. For men, it's just as important. Being overweight lowers testosterone.
The sperm counts will reduce, and also perhaps the damage to the DNA within the sperm, which is really important for the early embryo and may even affect the risk of the woman's miscarriage.
And smoking has a huge impact on the sperm's makeup.
Amazingly, it appears that a woman will have to have twice as many IVF cycles for the same outcome if the man smokes.
With more couples seeking fertility treatment, the pressure is on to boost technology and techniques.
Timing the embryo with the endometrium is going to be the future, and we may be putting the embryo back at the wrong time. So hopefully I envisage the future is we will be able to maybe do some sampling or maybe just wash the lining of the womb and measure what's going on in the endometrium. That's the black box, that's the future.
Tracy Vo, 9 News.